Isn't that just cute? You blowing her nose? Can you help her more? There we go. Look at those Dutch braids I made on her. They're so darn cute. So today has been one of those days for Zoe. Daycare did not daycare. Kindergarten did not go well. She did not nap or anything. Right now the house looks like a disaster, but she is just playing, which is good. Hey Zoe, can I have a kissy? Hi. Right. And Haley here is just playing with magic sand. Right? That's a spoon, huh? Hi! Check it out. Mid-September. We are eating popsicles in the backyard. It's crazy. This is just crazy this summer here in September. It's mid-September. The girls are just Hi Haley. But we're just playing outside this afternoon. We're getting dinner ready. We're gonna have chicken legs and fries and vegetables.
Hi. 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 Hi.
We are in very deep focus here. Haley is doing her little toes. They needed yellow nail polish, she thought. And that seems to be all she can do after kindergarten these days. It's so hard for her. So, iPad and couch. Dandelions are tough, huh? Blue. More. What are we doing? We're eating candy, huh? We are just celebrating weekend. Where's Zoe? Hi, Zoe. Where are you? Hi. Eating caramel, huh? Caramel. You're having a little snack table going on. We're watching a movie. It is Friday night. Huh? Hi. You eating? Yeah, I can tell. Wow, two. Very cool. We are ready for our first real ballet class, huh, Zoe? Are we going to ballet? It's in this mall here. We're ready. We had like a try lesson and we liked it, so now we're gonna come back and start doing ballet. We're ready. We're already dancing. We're going in there. After ballet, the girls and I went to Toys R Us to exchange some gifts we've got for Haley's birthday, and we got new things for Haley. And then we napped. We did, I think we made 3 YouTube videos. 1 DIY and 2 unboxing videos. Now I just need to edit. We just had dinner. The girls, whee! The girls really played quite good today, which is awesome. So now we're just out walking. Hi, Tiger. Hi.
Hi.
Were you such a good runner? Hi, Haley.
Hi.
Hi. Blue eyes. Running into the sunset. Hi. Well, good night. It is Saturday night and I am just watching Guldtuben 2018, which is like the Danish award show for YouTubers. So it is crazy. I am actually writing a blog post about this whole program here, Guldtuben, and yesterday I wrote a blog post about this actually being on my bucket list. It would be the coolest thing ever to actually be like just in the audience, but the coolest thing would be to be nominated for vlogging, yeah, or even just like video maker or any other thing. But as I'm writing that I'm just gonna continue watching the show, the fire alarm goes off. This is live TV, you guys. This is not, I'm not even knowing right now if it's a prank or not, but everyone here left the arena and now they were just being told that they could come back in. But isn't that just crazy? Live TV, you guys. Denmark. Nothing special here. It just says here that it will continue shortly, but it is just amazing what happens. So yeah, watching Guldtuben 2018. And the fire alarm goes off and everyone is walking out of the arena. I'll keep you posted. So welcome back. It just began again. But the funny part is, it was real. It was not a prank. What happened here? Popcorn burned. So the fire alarm went off and everyone had to clear out. It is Royal Arena, one of the biggest arenas here in Denmark, where they host a bunch of different huge things. And this happens on live TV. I don't even know what to say. But actually, it's kind of fun and it's cool that the hosts they're not professionals. They are just YouTubers like me and they are just being given this opportunity here to be the host of this Guldtuben here. So, and they did so great. Rasmus Brohave and Julia Sofia, you rock. You did so great. But oh my gosh, it is so funny. I cannot even believe this. But now the show is going on and I'm just gonna continue my night here and watching Guldtuben. Yay! Right now the girls and I are decorating for Halloween and I want to spook them. Are you ready? I got these teeth here. Sorry for the saliva. There's a Dracula teeth. You want to try them? Okay, can Haley try them? Open up. We had lunch now and we are just actually settling down here with our iPads for a little bit. We have about an hour. We were gonna go on a bike ride, but it started raining, so no. And now I am determined to try something. I am just sick of it being everywhere and I want to see. I am a big heyday kind of girl. But now, let me show you. I want to try to see this Fortnite. I'm not sure how this is going to work on my iPad or not, but we're going to try. I've never tried it. And Haley here is playing some nursery rhymes, I'm not sure. And you're playing Ramachan? Yay! So now we're just all playing. This is downloading. It does take quite a bit. So, let's see what happens. Bummer, the girls and I were just ready to take a bike ride. But, for some reason, my front tire is completely flat. Yesterday it was fine. Now it's not even a little flat. It's completely flat. So, I guess I'm just going to walk back. And then, I'm going to have to take the bike in tomorrow. So, bye-bye bike, unfortunately.